This is how you install a new magnet on your new key first. Find a new key, then try if it fits your existing keyhole. Try to hold the magnet with it near your key cover. Make sure that it attracts and in stand position. Make sure that the magnet is reversed before insertion. The idea is to make it north and south versus south. After that, insert it to the opposite hole. Do not fully insert the magnets for easy removal if inserted wrongly. After inserting the tree magnets, try if it works correctly. If yes, congratulations, you've just made it. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribe. Thank you.